Fuck. Here we are.
Fuck.
I didn't realize that we were already live. Man. Another great night. GM everyone. GM everyone. Let's reset the room. KBM's furiously typing. Cook is here. OSF is traveling. Unfortunately, we don't have him as per usual.
Mr. Worldwide.
Worldwide. We are the budget version of Up Only. We will be accepting offers if you want to come through. What episode are we on now?
Even a 95% discount would still be pretty nice, eh? $400 million package, I guess. All in. I guess we don't have an echo.
Sorry, that was me.
We're on episode 120 here, guys. How the fuck are we not worth 25 million at this stage? The value that is shared from us just shit posting basically all week. Got to be up there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's more topical than Up Only. We'll see what he comes out with, but I think you're going to get more like introspective lessons from OGs or founders, and you're not. I mean, you could learn something here and apply it, perhaps make some money. DYOR.
It was like the first proper, like Twitter or CT show, right? I feel like there's a lot of them now. I kind of get the feeling it might disappoint. I don't know if.
I think it will. It's antiquated, right? It's a YouTube. Isn't it a YouTube channel? I'll be honest. I've never even watched it, but it's like pre-recorded podcasts. Like you're watching it to learn.
Weird. I was on it multiple times.
Yeah, let's bring it up. Have you not seen any of these episodes? KPM's like a
recorded. No, it's live.
Like I know what it is. I've heard about it. I remember seeing tweets about the guests and stuff. I was never really like a podcast type person. So
it was for OGs really at the time when it was live. I think that's when I heard about KBM, the lore of KBM, because he was on there a couple of times talking about NFTs.
I think he would. Are you going to be on the new season?
I didn't see a lot of KBMs being thrown about in the potential guests. Actually,
I don't think so. I think no, then past my prime.
But the synthetics competition, you went from I'm getting destroyed. I left on a ETH long yesterday was not a great day for me on a personal standpoint. I put on a bunch of ETH longs at like 3,900 in a ladder.
I don't even see you on here. You're just like a random wallet, I guess.
I'm nearly liquidated at this stage. I'm nearly liquidated.
Oh, damn. You're in 87th place. Not looking too bad.
Out of how many? 100?
Yeah.
Oh, how are you doing, KBM?
I'm in 6th. If the market goes down from here, I'll be high.
Nice.
You had 3K at one stage, and then
that ramp yesterday off the U.S. equity market open was not good timing to start the competition for somebody who was short. So they almost one-shot me, but I'm back down to 3K from 50K, back up to like 70K now.
We should make a deal, right? I should just go max long at this stage, and you should just go max short, and then.
Well, you should have said this offline. Now we're screwed. Yeah, right. Is that a way to cheat? Maybe.
I don't know.
What's the prize? Is there
my point? Like in this sort of prize, you might as well
$1 million, Cook. 100 traders for $1 million. So I'm actually trying.
How does it break down? It's not like winner take all.
It is. It is winner take all.
Holy shit, that's cool.
That's the point. You've got to go.
There are like consolation prizes of like 100,000 SNX or like 20,000 SNX or some bullshit.
That's a huge flex if you win too. Like $1 million is sick, but like you can be like,
imagine. I mean, like, dude, if the market goes down from here, I'm quite live to win it. Let's put it that way.
That's really cool. But you have to bring your own 50 grand, or everybody gets a balance, or how does that work?
Everyone gets 50K to start, and you could use margin on it, and
that'd be a big win.
There's 30 days left, bro. So it's tons of time. What do you think the ending P&L the winner would be? I would think like 500,000 or so.
Callio's not winning this shit. I'll tell you that right now.
he's done pretty well. My view on this is because it's so highly rated, you just got to go for it. So that's why I kind of left on a big long overnight.
It's counting trades as like fucking orders. Like I didn't trade 264 times. I think it's breaking up executions. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Not
I
that
mean,
that really
synthetics was also down for like 6 hours this morning. Just down.
Yeah.
If you get liquidated, are you out?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
GG?
they are. No, they're giving a re-up. They do a $50,000 re-up 2 weeks in.
Scottie Pippen? Is it the real Scottie?
I think so, yeah.
He met
A lot
Satoshi.
haven't
Great claims.
used it. Like I would say 50% of, maybe even more. Actually, looking at this.
No, they're adding 50K more to everyone on November like 4th or something, halfway through.
Oh wow!
So if you get revives.
I saw Razmir got liquidated, but I wasn't sure if it
There are
was just
people that got liquidated already. Yeah, Razmir.
Oh, this is funny, man. I should have got in on this. This is funny. I wouldn't win, but I would take a massive shot, swing for the fence.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm sure
swing for the fences
right now.
Bro, I hope you win, KB. I mean, I don't want you to win being short and then everybody. It'd be sick to just, yeah, you'd get to flex for at least a year.
Oh man, winning
top
this
dog.
I hope you win. You owe me some fucking money.
Your bet's heating up too, by the way. This has been a nail biter. This 120, 100 thing. Holy
this bad.
Yeah.
You're
I'm gonna need to win that. I need to win that. This competition. I need to win a lot of stuff to pay Michael back.
Yeah. 400K, right? Has already been bet on this thing. It's been pretty. I mean, this whole market just shows you the pain of this chop. We have swapped places on most likely a lot of times.
Yeah. Look at that.
And this is over a week.
It's creating like a DNA strand pretty soon.
Yeah.
It's like a fucking terrible chop.
It's such horrific PA this. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, so you think the market's going down, KBM? You think it's over? It's weird to me that the macro just feels like it doesn't give a shit. It can go higher.
I don't fucking know. I don't think it. I mean, like it could definitely come in, but I should probably just cover today. I don't fucking know, dude. I don't know what I'm doing.
I got this quant, so I'll tell you what I think. I got this quant. He's my top technical signal. He's a reply guy, and he only posts about Pokemon, and sometimes like he posts a skateboard clip, and then he reply guys me with charts on Bitcoin and like technical analysis, and he's like never been wrong for a year. He's actually a fucking genius. His name is Mr. Presentable. He says now,
this guy,
Mr. Presentable. You can follow him if you want, but like it's a lot of Pokemon Go content, which is based.
That's fine.
Yeah, he's like collecting Pokemon. But he says we're gonna range. Yeah, let me find out what his handle is. It's like Mr. Presentable 2 or something.
Yeah, we might range.
He says we're gonna range and compress around 108.5. Yeah, Mr. Presentable 2, and he's got like a weird rug cat PFP. Yeah.
Okay.
And he says we're gonna send. He said he's the most bullish he's been all year. So
I
don't know if he really tweets it. He's like he puts it in my replies. The real alpha. There's some Pokemon Go content for you. But
I'm following Mr. Presentable now. The last person you asked us was the white whale, and he got liquidated for $70 million. So
yeah, shit. No, Mr. Presentable usually leans bearish. This is the most bullish I've seen him actually. Like I've been a little bit more. I go back and forth with him in the comments, and I'm always more bullish, and I always don't fully listen to him, and he ends up being right for a while now.
He gets like 3 likes on his posts. I think this is a real alpha, or this is a gem sort of guy. It feels like
he's literally just this reply guy. Like
on 105. To trap some people short before it just goes.
Definitely a trap. Come on, surely you feel this. Like markets don't break down like this. Just the whole market feels like you're gonna get trapped both ways right now, right? It just feels like chopped so badly. I think we may honestly, KBM, our market may not resolve this year.
It might not. No, I agreed. Like, so what is that? Should I be like scalping in this synthetic competition? Maybe I should be scalping.
The really key level, right, is this 50-week moving average for Bitcoin, which is like 103K. And that will be defended for a while. But then if we break above 113K, then some Binance world just comes in and just smashes down the chart, it feels like. So you've got this like super tight range, and that's why everyone's losing their mind, because all the indicators are bunching up, right? Mm-hmm. Everything's really bunched up. So it's just horrific at the moment. Really,
It's
really
tough. And then you look at the stock market, it's like pinned to highs. I mean, it came off like a little bit today, but
gold's getting hammered.
that's
Coop,
going up.
I fudded gold. Yeah, I'm fudding gold to
you're
zero.
watching this. Cook is fudding gold, and claiming that he's the reason why it's going lower.
Yeah, did you see that though? Oh my god, I started fudding gold. I'll be honest, it's just because I'm a troll and I thought it's funny. But I started to write these posts about gold like at the Pico top, and actually, I don't know if I should admit that I made up the gold making machines. Like I started to tweet like, "Oh, there's gold making machines. This is confirmed." Blah blah blah. 2 days later, there's a story yesterday about China actually making gold. So it was fucking real. And then I'm posting about the $700 quadrillion golden asteroid that's out there. Oh man, it's fun.
Well, the other big
obviously it's tough to find a $30 trillion asset.
Have you ever heard about this gold? I mean, this is something for you to continue with your trolling. But this gold mine in I think it's Uganda. Have you heard about this?
Yeah,
the biggest gold mine
of the supply of gold, right?
Yeah,
they just discovered it.
The first large-scale gold mine, biggest ever, or something like that. They haven't yet developed it, but they're just like, yeah, it's down there.
Yeah. Have you ever considered this? That we know that there's these golden asteroids out there with quadrillions of dollars worth of gold. And I think it's pretty universally accepted that the universe is infinite. So wouldn't that mean that there's infinite golden asteroids and thus the gold supply is infinity?
You're on to something.
Yeah.
What's this?
So in like 3,000 years or less, like say 300 years, when we're mining golden asteroids, and the supply goes to infinity, Bitcoin's still going to have 21 million Bitcoins. So
the Wagai gold mine, I'm sharing it now, worth $12 trillion.
Yeah.
Chilling under Uganda.
Yep. You got the Africans finding new gold. You got the Chinese making gold. Pretty soon, SpaceX will be like lassoing the golden asteroids. I think it's over, man. Someone's got to tell Peter Schiff about all this stuff. I haven't seen a comment from him. I want to see his comment on the Chinese gold making machines.
He's going
Maybe
on Rekt.
He's just like above it. He thinks it's fake still.
He's
not. Is that real?
Yeah, that's real. That's real.
No way, that can't be real. I feel like you're trolling.
No, I was on Rekt Guy's show on Monday, and
Peter Schiff is going on.
Peter Schiff is actually going on Rekt Guy's show.
Holy shit, it's real.
Today, 10 p.m.
Wow.
Bro.
A meeting of the minds, so to speak.
That is insane. Thread Guy he's got to press him about the Chinese gold making machines. Oh man, that's cool.
Admitting to being a pedophile at one stage as well over the last few months. It's been a pretty wild few months of Peter Schiff.
He had that one ridiculous tweet, right? Or like a couple tweets where he then defended it and like, holy shit. Yeah, he should work for Base. That's what Jesse's all about too, right? If you're under 18, DM me or whatever the fuck he said.
Jesse definitely does not tweet smart things at times.
It's crazy sometimes, but oh man.
What do you
What
are you gonna say?
I'm just saying. I'm just replying to Thread Guy's post about Schiff, saying you gotta ask him about the gold making machines.
Gold making
machines.
In
the little China headline.
Ugandan gold mines and the asteroids.
Oh man,
we can really FUD this thing down to 3K. I think.
I gotta watch this. Like, yeah, how is Peter Schiff and Thread Guy gonna go? That's hilarious.
Yeah,
good for Thread Guy. I've fudded him a lot since he left me off the list, but getting Peter Schiff is hilarious to me. That's a banger. Nice work, Thread Guy.
And everyone faded Zcash, and Zcash has been the best performing alt on this show. I was like, Zcash is the trade when it was at whatever 130. That's been the best one. Though it now feels like a lot of people are in Zcash, which I don't know if it's that good. But this thing, I think, has some motion to it. You still have any Zcash, Kook?
No, I don't have any anymore. I do like it though, and like more and more people keep talking about it. And Yeah, but I don't have any anymore. I did. Trade was too small. I didn't take it seriously enough.
Yeah. It's a volatile coin. That's for fucking certain. You got to hold on for dear life. There hasn't been that much else this week, though. It's like just those privacy coins have been running, and then it's just been this continued, barely horrific fucking chop. It does feel like the whole perp dex thing is kind of collapsing a little bit here. I saw RAs is now flooding hype. Did you see this, Kook?
Yeah, he's a clown, man. Did you see his original price target when he went on stage in
know.
Japan? And he's like, yeah, it's like going to go up $5,000 a token. Like, now he's sputting it. I don't know. I don't get the guy.
It's funny.
Yeah, I guess I think all perp decks is just collapsing the hype. Like, the more you see these HIP3 dexes coming out, and like, it is a bit of a quiet period where people don't seem to be excited about the token, but that's a multi-year hold. That's an easy one.
I think Bitcoin dominance is about to go up a lot. That's my call here. I think.
Did you guys? We never talk about stocks, but did you guys own any Beyond Meat?
I don't.
No?
KBM's going to be the guy to come in and short something like that. Did you look at this one, KBM?
Yeah, shorted it this morning.
Really?
I did.
Oh man!
And then I covered at the peak and lost like $100,000, and then I quit for the day. So,
man, it was like
that's kind of why I'm
$9.
That's why I'm in a fucking atrocious mood. Actually, right before the show, I checked the price. I would have made $500,000, so I'm like pretty upset now. Yeah. I think I just just pile it on. I just don't even fucking care anymore. I've lost it. I'm losing touch in reality.
Well, that's a really hard trade, man. Like, I mean,
it was easy as fuck. It's just like I'm fucking.
What, you just covered too early?
I was just down too much. I'm just like, I guess I fucking suck, and I covered.
Yeah, I would be scared because I'm like, oh, I could squeeze the $20.
No, it was obvious that it was done today. I mean, it's been up every fucking day on nothing. I mean, whatever. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Don't worry, dude. You're gonna get $1 million from the trading competition.
ETH is going to 0 right now, so things are looking good. I think.
Yeah, I'm taking my bids out now. I'm not scalping. Fuck this shit. Let's just add more.
All I'm doing with Beyond Meat is writing a bunch of options on each side because the premiums are fucking retarded.
Yeah, it must be insane.
Yeah, I'm sacrificed. I bought it after hours like 2 or 3 days ago, like I think $1.20 when I first saw it. I'm like, oh, it's a meme. Like, this is a great meme. If you see the picture, Google like Beyond Meat dick sausage, and then there's just a hilarious image of So I could see normies running with it. I think short interest is 70%. Like, but I'm not. I'm basically out of it, aside from some options that I'm short.
It does feel like the fact that we're talking about that versus crypto. I mean, if I go to top gainers this week? Top gainers, even in the top 300. Fuck me. The best thing was Binance Life, followed by this thing Tibir. Have you guys seen this fucking thing?
Tibir? No.
Have you seen this thing? KBM?
No.
I don't know what the fuck this thing is. Okay. Whenever I ask whatever it is, people say it's some sort of like AI thing. It's basically some fund manager has created a coin. And his fund is called like Ribbit Capital, and they're like a VC fund, early stage VC fund. And this thing has gone to $350 million. Like the people who are like really pushing it is like altcoin.com or the altcoinist, whatever it is, that website. But like, just type it in. It's like this mixture between like a meme, but also people thinking it's like. It reminds you of this time last year where it was like AGIs happening on Solana. There's a lot of that, like, oh my God, they're about to do this crazy fucking thing with this coin. And I don't really know what it is, but a lot of NFT people are in this because it was like an NFT guy who like owns a bunch of punks. He's one of the biggest punk holders who created the coin. So it's like a bunch of NFT people telling you that this is going to be the next biggest thing in AI, and it just
this thing's been around since February. This is like
February, and it's up only technology. Like whatever the fuck they're doing to this thing is wild. That's been the biggest runner.
Wow.
I'm sure I'm going to get a bunch of replies being like, no, it's going to be this, it's going to be that. He did write some sort of like white paper or light paper talking about like token.
You know what it's actually going to be? 0. So just be there.
I'm not fucking shorting this thing.
Not shorting it, but like, let's not get carried away here.
Yeah. Well, I think even half the holders are on. They don't know what it means, and they know they don't. They're like, it's like a mixture between a meme plus AI plus something crazy, but they've clearly got a lot of supply control, and it keeps on going higher. So that's been the biggest mover this week, which again tells you everything. There's barely fucking anything moving.
Nothing happened.
Asta and Plasma both down 30% this week. They were fucking smoked.
Yeah, I hate Plasma. I was always going to hold it for a long time, but I was in the ICO. Like I had a decent bag, and I was up a ton, and I didn't sell shit.
Yeah.
So I'm a community member until they become the #1 neobank on earth.
Yeah, you were bull posting it, weren't you? Actually.
Yeah. I still like it. I mean, it's a tough environment. I don't know. They got to release staking. They got to do something. They haven't really done anything, but I still really like it. Like I love neobanking. EtherFi has been awesome, and it looks like a cleaner kind of EtherFi that more normies and stuff will be using. So I like it. But I could have probably sold the ICO when I was up 50x, you know?
Yeah.
Probably.
So what do we think on Mega ETH? What do we think on the Cobie as well? Like this buying this thing for 375 million. Remember Kraken also bought Trader Main's platform as well. Are we going to see buyouts of CT built stuff? It feels like you kind of buy it for the vibes as well a little bit, right? It's like you get some of these big accounts on your side, and I don't know if that's valuable.
I like Echo. I don't know if you guys are on there, but Echo is pretty cool. Like I've been using it this year quite a bit, and I think it actually solved a problem or made it easier to invest in early stage crypto stuff. I don't love Coinbase because they gave everyone's information to hackers this year, and like that sucks. So. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a good move for Coinbase to like maintain relevance.
That's for sure.
I think it seems expensive. Yeah, like it seemed crazy to me that it was 375 million. But I like Echo, so hopefully Coinbase doesn't screw it up. I don't know what their plans are.
But that's what I mean. I feel like the idea of creating a platform which is similar to Echo. Is that difficult? To like create
no, it's not. There's Legion is a copy paste of it, right? That just had yield basis on it the other week. There's a MetaDAO, which is even more like a non and like cleaner or whatever. I just did something on that yesterday. Yeah, MetaDAO.fi. They had Umbra, like the one that Ansem shilled, and it did really well. So you could very easily. The only thing about Echo that's special, I think, is Cobie. So
that's what
400 million for Cobie.
You kind of pay for the people as much as you pay for the tech. It feels like here. I just feel like in general that there is a little bit of this. Like people who are suddenly, this is why DraftKings just bought that prediction market as well. It's like suddenly bigger companies are realizing that it's actually kind of valuable now to own crypto companies, and they can't be bothered to do it themselves. Or they know they'll fuck it up if they try and do it in like their corporate way. So they're just coming in and just buying. I feel like buying crypto native companies is actually going to be really big for the next couple of years.
That's a good point. And you actually get instant credibility like by buying Cobie or like buying Trader Main, right? And he's still like a big part of it as the face or whatever.
Right. And if they launch the product themselves, they get no traction with it, because it'd be seen as very corporate. But if it's like bought via, this was built from the core community, it's seen as like, okay, well, you passed the smell test, or we'll use it because it's cool. That's my feeling about some of this stuff.
So who's going to get bought next? Someone's going to buy Myriad. Ask Farouk what the alpha is.
I don't know, man. Like, got to think that prediction markets are just fucking up only. They spent $100 million for this one Rail Gun, is it a Railbird?
Yeah, DraftKings.
Yeah,
DraftKings did.
and that was like, it wasn't even a working site. It was just a license. They just paid that as a license.
That's crazy. I didn't even look at it.
Yeah. So kind of insane. I think prediction markets. I mean, the volume that Kalshi is doing at the moment is fucking insane in sports, and it's regulatory arbitrage, right? Because you're not really under the purview of the gambling commission anymore. So these guys, and they know that Trump's not going to step in and do anything about it because he's not going to touch prediction markets. He's just going to let it happen. So now I think these big guys have just got to come in and either get licenses as quickly as fucking possible or buy like native ones for the tech. I think maybe the tech is not as valuable. I think the license is the super valuable thing because it takes like a year to get the license.
Sure.
And it's not an easy process, and they only have a certain number they give out each year. So, yeah, my gut is that this is going to be prediction markets are regulatory.
Something?
What do you say?
I don't know. The market spiked down 1,000 points. I'm guessing something just happened. I'm over here trading. Sorry.
He must have done something.
On synthetics or Beyond Meat?
Yeah, no. Synthetics. The Beyond Meat's over already. My day's already been ruined. Yeah, my day's been ruined already.
I don't see
it. It was a stupid spike down. Anyway.
Yeah, the market just feels a bit jittery, right? That's all it feels.
Yeah, it's nothing. It's just
I have very little conviction. Even our bet now, I'm just like, I think this could go on. I think it could touch either of those things in a wick, and the bet we might stay in this range for until Christmas or beyond.
Yeah, that would be brutal. People are going to get bored. That's kind of Max Payne, though. You just frustrate everyone. So maybe you're right.
Oh yeah, take everyone. Anyone with money left.
Yeah, that's why I think Bitcoin's dominance is going to go high because I just think people are going to be they'll just say fuck it. Alt season is fully dead.
Yeah, he did say something. He said some more shit about restricting China Chinese exports.
Yeah.
You see, Google made a quantum breakthrough today, fellas.
Whoa, I didn't see that. I'm interested though.
Yeah, the chip solves some like unsolvable shit. I don't know. They don't know how they're going to use it, but they're like, this is a massive deal.
Yeah,
that's sick. I love this.
Yeah, it did some otherworldly fucking computations.
The quantum echoes algorithm breakthrough. Okay, yeah, I got to read this shit after.
Yeah,
crazy.
Just bullet for Paris for Zcash. Is it? Are we screwed here?
I think it's bearish Zcash. I think it's bearish all crypto. I just bought 2 microcap stocks yesterday that do quantum resistant crypto stuff.
Oh,
I don't know tons. It's not like heavy DD. I'm literally just throwing darts at fucking shitcoin stocks. But yeah, quantum resistant crypto stuff. We'll see. I'll get my thoughts together and tweet about it.
I'm really looking forward to Mr. Predictable too. It's got notifications on if you're watching Mr. Predictable.
Let's go. You're going to see him get a shiny Pokemon. No, he's based. And then he posted a skate clip, like him skateboarding. He rips. Like, yeah, I'm a big fan. And now I love him too because he says Bitcoin's going to send. So we got to see. Got to ask him. I hope he sees this episode too. Shout out to Mr. Predictable. I don't think he like cares about CT. Like he's not trying to be a KOL. He just tweets about Pokemon and then does some technicals.
Journaling.
Yeah. There he goes. He's watching. Let's go. Shout out. He's cool.
Yeah, I'm going to start commenting on his posts. People are going to follow this guy.
I'm telling you, man, he's pretty smart. I always lean too bullish. And he I listen to him, but I don't fully listen to him. And more often than not, he's right.
Yeah, I don't know if I don't really not farm, but I don't really have any small account gems anymore. I feel like they used to be useful in like metas, like if it's NFTs are ripping or if meme coins are ripping or if AI coins are ripping, there's always like there's smaller accounts that do really well. But right now, there's not really that subset, really, is there? Of like, oh, this guy's really smart doing this small thing.
There's no meta. Like, what's the meta? It's kind of ICOs have the biggest opportunity, like trying to get into some of these early stage deals. I don't know. Like, meme coins are dead. I don't know. There seems to be no meta.
You see this CBB guy put out that tweet, which is like, if I had $1 million now, I'd be full time in crypto, move to a city where the cost of living is not too expensive, no meme coins, no leverage ever. Allocate 500K stable coins in DeFi. Fair enough. 250K to farm perps, trade perps. That's trade.xyz. That's your thing.
Yeah, dude.
It's
going to be the best farm. That's going to be the best farm of the next year. Like, that's Hyperliquid.
Maybe I should be fucking farming this thing.
Bro, I told you. Yeah, use my link.
Okay, I'll use your link.
But he did another tweet like that too that says it's like the same, but it's with 300K. And I like him. He's really smart. Like, he's one of the biggest winners ever in crypto. Like, if you know about his history, like, he's crazy. That guy has made so much money. It's retarded. And he's super smart.
He's him and his brother, right?
Yeah.
They're like French
guys. That's the bearish thing about him. Frenchies. But CBBOFE. That's like that was the start of his EVM wallet, like CBBOFE.
Yeah, I don't think he likes me.
He used to not like me, but he's gotten I don't know. He's like in his giving back era. Like, he's writing all this advice to people and stuff. And like,
man, he doesn't like you. I tried to onboard him to Yeet and I used your name. Fuck.
Well, there you go. You just said he's never using leverage, or what was it? He sounds like
he's a massive.
No. Now he like that was his advice to somebody who has.
That's what I went to him. I was like, bro, like, I think this is slightly underfarmed. I don't know if you just do plus EB farming, but I know the way that you do it, you can probably find a way. No, he replied. He was like, oh, okay. He said, okay, I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look into it. But I did use your name. So maybe.
Fuck, I wonder. I mean, I don't think we have like beef or anything, but I don't know. He just like unfollowed me, which is fair. All I do is post about you. So.
Yeah, Mando, he's got another one that starts with 300K. He did like 2 versions.
Yeah. This is not me. Yeah. This is the internet, but this is. He's doing. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
And then the last point is, if it didn't work, I'll get a job. I think he's cool, man. I like this guy.
25 into civil farms of 200K wallets. So it sounds like his brother's he's like the dev. He builds like bots and stuff. They did some weird like arbitrage bot on Hyperliquid. He said the other day, like, he wrote a big thesis about how he made money, like $5 million from it. And
bro, for half of this year, I think, or like at least a portion of the year, I remember he wrote about this, but him and his brother were over 50% of the volume on Hyperunit, like at the beginning. So this guy, he made, I think, something like $35 million on the XPL ICO.
Yeah.
From farming. And like, I think he will, and he was like, he posted like, yeah, this is our best farming result ever. Really happy with it. I think he'll beat it on Hyperunit. Like, this guy's crushing. And he also had a cool post about how he thought he was washed and he was like slipping after he fucked up Blast, and because he hates Pac-Man. He has some really, really funny posts about Pac-Man too. He just said the other day he had a post like, I don't know if it was his birthday or like some shit. He's like, I'm celebrating today and I'm giving away this prize, and it was like a rug, but it's like Blast.
Oh yeah, that was funny. I saw that.
Yeah, he's pretty funny. But yeah, he had a post about how he thought he was washed because he read Blast wrong and he put all this effort into it and he didn't make that much money and whatever. And he's like, but I'm back. Yeah, it'd be cool to talk to him.
About you on Rekt Radio. Would you like to come on the show next week?
He's cool. And I just see him now giving out way more advice and stuff just for everyone at different levels. So I don't know. Maybe he's in the mood to come on the show and give us some alpha.
Yeah, I mean, once you make that much money, you kind of become a bit of a teacher, don't you?
I guess,
I quite like. What I would say is I do like trading as part of a team. I am a fan of that. I think most people in crypto, they trade for themselves. And I think if you're doing it alongside this is how I used to trade with OSF, and we did really well doing it. Like if you're doing it with somebody else and you're both really dedicated to it, sometimes I tend to find that you do less stupid shit. You're way more measured about the trades that you take, and you just look for alpha a bit more rather than just like right now is what you just said. Like everyone will get wrecked because this period is horrific for fucking trading. It's like Bitcoin looks like it's about to go and break lower, and then no, we're back to 108.5k. It looks like it's about to go higher. No, you're just gonna get destroyed, thinking you're gonna miss it, and this could last for months, literally months right now. So, and I think during this sort of time, if you're trading by yourself, you're gonna have really bad returns, in my opinion. But if you're with somebody else, like you can't just pitch a stupid idea like, oh, should we just go long right now because I'm bored. Like you can't really do that. So you look for these asymmetric opportunities, and that's clearly what they've done. They actually spend their time as a team going through like, well, what are the most asymmetric bets in crypto right now? And like you said, Hyperunit is probably one of them. Feels like it is.
Yeah, I think it's the one, to be honest, the biggest one. Yeah, I love it. But yeah, he's got a really good post on that, how they built some crazy bot doing the EVM arbitrage. And yeah, and that's it. I guess that's it. You have to you have accountability to like the other party. Plus you also have to I'm sure there's some element of like competition to it. Like you want to look smart, you want to hit the banger, like even if it's a small team of two guys, like that's cool.
Yeah. So if you were to do an up only right now, who would you want to see on there? Or I guess we do this show, but like if for that Cobie show, who would you want to have on? Who would you actually want to hear from in CT?
Jeff from Hyperliquid and Shoku from Hyperunit. Either just Jeff or like Jeff and Shoku if they wanted to do it that way.
Yeah.
That to me would be the top one.
Everyone says that, yeah. Is he interesting to speak to? I actually have never seen an interview with him.
Yeah, he's pretty smart, man, and he seems like a cool guy. Like, there's videos of some fireside chats and different talks he did at Token, and he seems really cool. Yeah, I'm a big buy management kind of guy, so actually seeing him talk and do interviews and like how he articulates the vision, and he seems nice. Like he's not cocky, very smart, confident. Like he's cool. He's really cool. No homo. I sound a bit gay, but
I would put CBB up there right now because I feel as though he's doing stuff that I would actually learn from. I'd be like, okay, this is how he's made money. These traders on, like if CZ went on, you just don't know if he's being genuine or not. You know,
it's like not.
Yeah, you get. That's the same with so many big people, right? They have to be a persona of what they're like, and I feel like all the guests that you might get on Up Only are going to be so big that they're going to have to. There have to be like a version of themselves, you know? And actually, I'd like to speak to people who are in the trenches who've just made $5 million and gone like, right, I did this really smart. Like, this is what you should be doing, you know?
It would be cool to see him. Yeah, I don't want to see throwback interviews. Like, you know, a CZ, who cares? Like, leave that off. But like an Alan would be cool, right? Like this guy built Pump Fun out of nowhere. Like, yeah, Jeff, like that would be cool. CBB, like non-institutional biggest winner in crypto history, like non-founder. It would be nice to see Cobie do it on new crypto. I guess you'd have to do like a throwback or two. I don't know who'd be good for that. Not CZ. I don't care about CZ at all.
I don't want to trash anything, but I would say that having now tried out other perp dexes, Hyperliquid is just so much better. It is
man.
So much better than what other people are building. It's how much better it is. I don't even understand why it's that much. The product just feels so different compared to others.
I don't know why either, man. I can't explain the technical side, but like when you look past even the scope of just a perp dex, which no one else is even attempting to do. In one of those videos with Jeff from Token, I think it was Token, they're like, oh, who do you see as your main competition? And he like pauses and thinks for a bit. And he's like, no one. Like no one's trying to do what we're trying to do. That's the thing. Everybody's talking about perp dexes, like perp dex war, like Aster, but man, they're not doing the same stuff. Yeah, and now kind of the tide's going out. They're going to be the last one left standing, man. We'll see. I mean, the other stuff will be around. There'll be products, but I don't think they're going to have users.
I'm super bullish on Hyperliquid as a product. I do think that the perp wars are getting more competitive because there's so much farming now of like different perp dexes, but it's very clear that the experience is the best at Hyperliquid.
Yeah.
I can just...
How do you guys feel about starting the spins early today?
You're not enjoying the chop?
I'm not even touching the chop.
No.
Yeah.
We can do it early. If you want to move to Yeet, we can move. I was thinking that you should be streaming for Yeet. People
yeah, well, I'm not allowed to play on Yeet, sadly.
Yeah, just want to hear your experience. You should do it.
Yeah. Yeah, we can move to Yeet. Let's figure out the spins.
Sure, you can do that in the back. Yeah, the only thing I'm buying at the moment is Zcash. Just because I just think the upside could be really big, but I also think that everyone's in the fucking trade suddenly. So it's going to be nasty. I don't really know. I might farm this thing that you sent over, Kook. I haven't farmed anything in a long fucking time. I just haven't got time to do it.
At least connect, because there's a wait list. Only the top 100 people are on right now. So just connect, and then you can, think about it and plan out your farming strategy. But you should farm it. It's an equity perp dex from Hyperunit. And they have a proprietary index called the XYZ 100, which it's the top 100 US large cap companies. But I think it's going to create, part of the value case for Hyperliquid in general, because it'll be a 24/7 index that's traded on chain through anyone that accesses Hyperliquid liquidity. And I think in the future, it could be like one of the things we look back on as one of the big reasons Hyperliquid won so much of the pie. You'll see him talking about it on S&P or on CNBC, the XYZ 100. I think so. That's the bull case for me.
And why would this not be on Hyperliquid itself? Why do we need a perp dex on a perp dex platform?
Well, it's because the premise of HIP3 is like a stakeholder can create their own perpetuals exchange and launch their own markets, right? And as for why XYZ 100 is not on Hyperliquid itself, I don't know why. I guess they want a flagship product on Trade Perps or like Trade XYZ. But I think it's for separation, I guess, like, because that's Hyperunit's market. It's not like a Hyperliquid core product. It's Hyperunit's perp dex, and it's going to be focused on equities. But yeah, I mean, you could just put everything into Hyperliquid, but I think what they want is more and more stakeholders building different perps markets. And then Hyperliquid is like the NASDAQ, right? Where you can access the NASDAQ through 10 million different brokers in every country. And they're all different types of brokers and like financial advisors and everything else. Hyperliquid is intended to fill that role.
Okay. That makes more sense. Okay. So trade is actually for stocks. It's not for crypto.
I think their primary focus is stocks. I'm not on there yet. I'm not allowed.
Really?
I'm still on the wait list. Yeah.
Man.
There's only the top 100 people. Like, I don't know if it was the fastest 100 to get on the wait list or it was the top 100 volume, but I didn't make it. And you need 5 million volume to even be on the wait list. 5 million Hyperliquid volume.
Somebody else was telling me variational. Have you seen variational?
Yeah, I've been shilling variational. Bro, I sent you that link too. I actually still have 2 invites. But that's another one. It's another perp dex that's not, there's 50 perp dexes and then there's Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is the one to focus on. But if you're going to do some like outside farming for a dart throw, to me, variational is the best one. It's the only one I actively use other than Hyperliquid. They have so they've got like, I don't want to butcher it, but they have 2 products. Like the reason they're unique is they have a permissionless, decentralized like DEX approach to crypto OTC desks. And like I can't use that. They also have the retail product, which is called Omni, variational Omni. And then the institutional thing has a different name, but for that reason, they're interesting. They also have the most coins listed. They list stuff the fastest.
Right.
And they have like this weird loss refund mechanism. So it's cool. I've used it quite a bit, actually. I'm like, I was 25th on the leaderboard for P&L, but now I'm not. Let me check. Yeah, I'm 106 now. But I use it lightly. I think it'll be pretty good.
Yeah, I think I might look at that one, but if CBB is telling me it's fucking Hyperunit and you're telling me it's this thing at the same time, yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. I feel like I'm
it's hyper. That's the big one for sure. Hyperunit is going to be the main like, but now it's like Hyperunit tech will have been also all the spot trading on Hyperliquid and all the unit tokens on Hyper EVM. Like people have been probably secretly farming Hyperunit for a very long time. There's no announced farming program or anything like that, right? But you've been using, if you've been a user of the Hyperliquid ecosystem, specifically spot and the bridges in and out of native tokens that aren't hype and the U tokens on the EVM, then you've been using Hyperunit a lot. But yeah, so I've used it a ton. Like, and Hyperunit and realizing what their tech did and like what the EVM was going to be capable of. To me, it's kind of like the L2 for everything. My understanding of the ecosystem, like when I got what Hyperunit really was doing, was the 0 to 1 moment for me on Hyperliquid. The first thing, like the zero that got me to buy it, was Binance attacking it, and I just bought it without thinking. It was like $14, and then as I started to use it more and more and more, I went really hard on it when I really got the Hyperunit side of it. So yeah, I'm way too deep into this stuff.
Hyperunit is just the bridge, right? It's the bridge that allows you to send any asset to it, and it immediately converts to the EVM.
Yes, it's the bridge, and you can send any asset, and then you can also bridge it out to the EVM. Like you can send it into Core, you can bridge it to the EVM. It's all the spot trading. So yeah, it's like the bridge and the custody of native tokens from other chains.
So it's like an integrated bridge for everything.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. And that, do you think that will have its own token, or is that just like?
Yeah, there'll be a token. I mean, everybody speculates and says unit token and this and that, and guys have done some. There will be some kind of token for sure. And I like the team's very similar to Hyperliquid, where you'll probably just wake up one day and you'll have a bunch of this token sitting in your account. Yeah. They don't really telegraph stuff, and I really like that.
What are the other big bridge tokens? It's like Wormhole and Layer Zero, right?
Yeah. But then remember, Unit is also trade perps, and so if this equity DEX takes off, so it can be, to me, it's a lot more than like a bridge token. Because once you start using like native Bitcoin on Hyper EVM and you've got it in LP pools, or you're like using it in DeFi, you got it in a vault, or like, and you do that with any token, it's powerful, man. And yeah, it's cool. It's funny because they don't talk about it. Like they don't like. I'm always explaining what it is as I've learned and as I see it, but it's not like, it's like they don't care. Like they're just building, you know, they're not trying to sell it, which I also really like. Like people don't even really understand what Hyperliquid is as a big box. Like what is the ecosystem? That's the hardest part of the whole story, is like really understanding the scope of it all. But that's bullish to me because I think that this is like a multi-year journey. It's the only token I won't sell this cycle, man. I'm going to sell everything else other than Bitcoin and Hype.
As you said, I think that's probably the right. It does feel like they're doing cool stuff. It does feel like they're doing cool stuff when you read through this, and people get bullish by airdrops. So if you're just using it, you're going to get a bunch of airdrops for different things. That's smart. And
here's a bullish note that I'll end on: is they're the only guys you can guarantee aren't paying me because they don't pay anyone. So I'm just a fanboy. No marketing spend, man. Like early Tesla. Like it's sick.
Yeah, exactly. You do know that. Like compare that to like Plasma, or I don't know what other big VC coins have come out. Even Pump, right? Pump is fucking. The only reason Pump trades where it is because all these VCs are just dumping on you constantly. It feels like.
Yeah.
Compare that to Hyperliquid. It's a very different sort of experience. Anyway, let's go to the spins. KBM, how are we looking?
We rolled in the background, yeah.
Oh, you did? Who have we got?
It was Malteser 69, Kuko World, and Zenitsu. I already talked to them in chat. So.
Oh, really? Okay, wow. You're already ahead of the game.
Well, I thought we were doing it early, and then you guys just went blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, like you mean like the podcast that we've done for fucking 120 episodes?
Yeah, but this isn't early. I was thinking like 15 minutes. I'm starving over here, bro.
Sorry, I love
we did the roll. I think Kuko was the top volume anyway, so that worked out.
Awesome.
And then we rolled the other two as well, and here we are. I think I'm sharing, but intern has to go in the background. Let's see here. Let's ride. My favorite part of the show.
I know, this is where you really become very animated, and you're back in the show, which is what I like.
I don't know what that says about me. I guess I'm addicted to gambling. I don't really know.
We need to get you and the producer doing it together at the same time. It's 1,000, I think.
What is it? 500? 1,000?
It's 1,000. If they lose, they get 500, right?
Okay, the first person being rolled is Malteser or
Maltesa. I'll do Maltesa.
He's in the chat, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Look at the StreamYard, go to comments.
Yeah, I see. Win me some money. That's what I see.
So, I mean, like, we're jumping
How far you want to go? How far you want to go, Maltesa? I'm saying to the tree at least.
I'm looking in the chat. I don't see anything yet for Malteser.
No. To the tree.
Where am I? I'm lost my fucking tab. Hold on. Okay, to the tree?
Yeah.
I mean, is this to the tree? Yeah. Wow, this run feels good. I don't know.
It feels
smooth.
smooth.
Yeah, okay. He said, yeah, okay in the chat. Tree. What else, Malteser? Well,
to the tracks now? I mean, $2,000 would be nice. Should we just try and 2x now?
I don't know. He's in the chat. I don't. He's
one more.
Oh no!
Oh yes,
fade. What do you want to do? He wants to cash out.
Okay, cash out. Okay. Good run. 2x. Maltese, you get $2,000 for watching the fucking show. Well done.
Oh man. What was the next guy? Kuko World, and I guess I'm doing Zenitsu. Kuko World and Kook gets to do him.
I love it. Okay, I start out with 3.
To the tree, you said?
No, just 3. So 2 more.
Oh, just 3. Oh, what the fuck? What?
Over 500.
Crazy. Sorry, Kuko. I love your name though.
Game is
That's crazy.
Game is rigged.
He's the #1 volume. Should we give him one more?
Sure.
You know what? Let's give him one more.
To the track.
So let's cancel that 500. This will be his real run.
Yeah.
Do 3.
3, you said, Kook? All right, go ahead.
Yeah, now let's just consider. I think go all the way to the tracks. He's #1 volume. He wants to risk it.
Yeah, he wants to risk it, right?
Let's go. Cut it off.
Cut it off?
Cut it off?
I think so. I like to end at the tracks.
Kuko World, are you in the chat, bro?
Kuko, if he's in the chat, let's give him a chance to run it.
Low-key bonds.
Cash out. Kuko wants to cash out.
Yeah, let's go.
Well played. Well played.
Zenitsu, you drew the high volatility round, Zenitsu. Congrats. This is max volatility for my friend Zenitsu. Don't worry, Zenitsu, I'm due.
Oh, kick him. Yes!
Brother, we're playing this game well.
You're still going.
Let's pause for a minute and get the chat caught up.
I mean, brother.
Oh, you gotta cash it. I don't know. I have no opinion.
Oh man. Oh man. What's this guy's deal? It's probably like life changing for him. I'm about to just go for it. Man, God, I'm hurt. Chat, what are we doing here?
One more, maybe? Your pace. No one can keep up with you at this stage. Is he even in the chat?
I don't know. I don't think so. Boy, oh boy. Oh man, I don't know. I mean, this is a lot of money for this guy, probably. What's his total volume?
Yeah, that's a good bag, man.
Fucking hell. You know what, dude? I always fuck up by pushing it too far, so I'll cash it. Let's go.
Oh, that's good.
Well
Nice
played.
round.
Let's fucking go. We were responsible. This dude just made fucking $5,500.
So it was 10 grand of prizes, or nearly, or about that, I think. Good job, everyone.
Amazing.
Amazing amount of prizes. That's what happens when you have the fucking founders on the show. Just keep going for it.
There you go.
Make sure you go down. We in big moments. Actually, we are still going. I think we're still going on big moments. If you go to bigmoments.xyz, we are in the quarters versus Jasper. Fuck me, Jasper is destroying us.
Really? Oh, shit.
Everyone who watches the show, we just got 10 grand of prizes there. Just
insane.
Come on. This has got to be better than this. Let's take this to at least 1 million. It ends on Friday.
Oh, shit. We're getting fucking dominated. I didn't even see.
We get dominated by Jasper, I see.
Wow.
So,
should we? Man, do we need to sign up and just beef our own stats? Sorry, I thought the camera was off. Anyway,
somebody's
I
got
guess
it,
we'll
man.
see you next week, guys.
Yeah. See you next week, guys. All the best.
See you,
Bye.
boys.